So Hickey is a pendant tether. We can put the Hickey on children's neck like this, so that he or she can chew as per his need. And Hickey can also be used by therapists for opening of the mouth like this. One, two, three, four, five, six. If children try to bite Hickey and he's not allowing, if he doesn't allow to insert the Hickey properly into the mouth, then we can use harder one like this. So Hickey has dots on the surface. One is big dot and another is small dot. So big dot is used to provide tactile input, but sensation is less. Smaller dot gives higher sensation. So we will start from big dot surface like this. Then we will switch over into the small dot surface.